how to create tables in Figma. There's an easier way than to do it by hand. You just go up to the plugins right here and you type in table creator, and then you launch this app. Just click on create table, and now you can go to new template, and here you can define what the size of the table is going to be. You can type in the columns or rows from here, the width of the table, and the height is set to hug. We can leave it like that. For the cells, the width is set to fill. This is okay. And here we can choose whether it's going to be oriented to the top, center, or bottom. And once we choose all this, we can create a new table. So let me drag it down here. I want to keep these because from here you can change the options of the table in real time, even after you've created it. You can change the rows or the cells. For example, if I go in here, I can change the fill color. Let's go with maybe something blue like that. Just let me give it more opacity. And as you can see, it changes in real time. Also, something very cool about this template is you can go in here in each individual box and you will find a text box already there. You can just click into it and type right away. And that's how you can create tables in Figma. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.